I don't know if that was good.
This is Tamarindo sticks.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're already pretty high up in the mountains of Culebra, Puerto Rico. Today, we're gonna check out some of the trails around Flamenco Beach and Tamarindo Beach. I'm not really sure if we're supposed to, but I've seen some dirt roads that I'd love to just explore and see what happens.
You have it on right?
Yeah, it's just that the front tire is turned. Did I put it in four-wheel drive?
I don't know. I want to get out. I had to get out of the Jeep because I'm scared of heights. The driveway is too narrow and steep.
Yeah, so this driveway is pretty steep. Honestly, I'm more worried about the trails that we're gonna go on. They're a lot steeper and the drop-offs are much higher. Woo. It's scary because you're just looking over the hood and seeing a straight drop-off. How was that, baby?
You made it.
I'll be honest, that was a lot. It's a lot scarier going down. Like, because you look at the front, you just go, I hope I'm on the driveway.
Well, you were doing good.
So right here, if you take a left, it'll take you to the entrance to Flamenco Beach, but I'm curious where this trail on the right goes. I think it overlooks Flamenco Beach. Alright, baby, what's the trick for the bumps? Do you remember?
Just raise your butt a little bit.
Yeah, act like you're about to let out a fart, but you want to do it secretively, and that you want to see a beautiful view.
And then you hold the car for a moment.
I bet that's how you get up to that house that we seen when we were at the beach. It looks so flat on the camera. And so does the trail. It looks like people are gonna think we're just babies.
I mean, this right here, I think is better. Dirty water. It looks blue and dark.
I wonder what's up with that. The bumps don't bother me. They bother me because I know they're bothering you.
Because it bothers my gum. I can feel it throbbing every time we go in a bump.
It's so pretty over there.
Oh, look at the water, so pretty.
Yeah, it is. It's really pretty. Yeah, they're turning around. They said nope.
This is Tamarindo sticks. I don't know if we're allowed to go.
Does it say anything about not being allowed?
No.
That's what I'm trying to decide. Like,
Oh, that's so pretty.
this is cool. Can we go this way? What was that? Some animal just jumped out of the water. Saying that you have to watch for sea urchins. You gotta be careful. Try not to step on any coral or anything. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the water and see if I can find some of these sea urchins. We're a small channel, so we really appreciate everybody who watches. Definitely like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and we hope to catch you guys in the next one.